Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today for the Office of International Programs Cooking Show. My name is Nicole Pulowski. I'm an Education Abroad Coordinator for the Office of International Programs. And I'm really excited to be here today with my friend Dulmaa. Hi, Sano, Dulmaa. How are you? And can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Dulmaa from Mongolia. It's been almost 7 years since we last met in Mongolia. Currently, I'm living in the capital city, Ulaanbaatar, with my family.
Yes, Dulmaa and I met in the Peace Corps in 2013, and we have stayed friends since. And we're really excited to be here today to share with you about one of our favorite Mongolian dishes, Khuushur. Dulmaa, tell us a little bit about Khuushur and its background.
Yeah, as you know, Mongolia has nomadic lifestyle. Following this, our food is mainly meat and dairy products. About Khuushur, it's like big dumpling that's flat and fried. Typical Mongolian dish that everyone loves to eat, especially during Naadam festival, which is celebrated in July. Lots of people eat lots of Khuushur. Yeah.
Yes, Naadam is one of my favorite Mongolian holidays as well, and it takes place in the summer, and there's three main sports we all watch together, which is archery, horseback riding, and wrestling, and we all eat Khuushur together. So we're really excited to cook this today. So Dulmaa is going to be creating our meat Khuushur, and I'll be doing the vegan potato Khuushur. So Dulmaa, what do we need to prepare? What type of ingredients do we need to prepare our meat Khuushur?
Yeah, the ingredients are really simple. Since we are going to cook meat Khuushur, the main ingredient would be meat, but it can be any meat like pork, chicken, or beef or lamb. Today I'm going to choose beef. And the next ingredient would be flour, frying oil, onion, salt, pepper, and a little bit of water. That's all.
So let's get started.
And
so as you see, we need to chop the meat as small as possible. And now I'm going to mix this water with the flour. And we'll wait for about 5 minutes. Okay, now you see the chopped meat, onion, and some seasonings. You can add anything you like. This time we are adding some salt and Korean seasoning. What's this? This is one plant that grows in Mongolia. Adding a little bit of water to make it stick together. And now salt. Roll it. Now we'll cut it into small pieces. This much. Now I'm going to pinch it. So add a little bit of meat. And pinching. I'm not really good at doing this. It looks like a dyed mouse for me, but I think she's really good at it. So, how does it look like? Now it's ready to fry. Okay, now we are ready to eat. Looks so yummy. Let's eat. In Mongolia, we eat this food with our hands. Let's taste it.
Khuushuur.
Khuushur. Sakhokhotore means have a nice meal in Mongolian. So good. We can also add some chili sauce or what's this? Spicy cocktail sauce from Korea. You can add anything you like. And we also drink milk tea every day in Mongolia. This is perfect combination. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for enjoying the video.